Hello kids! Welcome to our fun learning time. Today, we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 10 along with their spellings. Are you ready? 1 O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 T H R double E 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5 6 S I X 6 7 S E V E N 7 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9 10 T E N 10